In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite members to a live stream on Circle. This process is essential for those looking to create engaging and interactive live stream events for their community on Circle. So let's dive right in and get started. First, to begin this journey, you'll need to log into your Circle account, head over to the Circle website and enter your credentials. You're probably familiar with this part, but it's always good to make sure you're using the correct email and password to avoid any hassle. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. Next, navigate to the space where you'll be hosting the live stream. This is essentially the area within Circle that acts as the virtual venue for your event. Simply go to your Spaces menu and choose the one that aligns with your live stream's purpose. Selecting the right space is crucial as it sets the tone and context for your audience. Once you're in your chosen space, it's time to create the event itself. You'll see an option labeled Create Event. Clicking on this allows you to start setting up your live stream. This step is fairly straightforward, but make sure you're in the right space before starting to avoid any confusion later. After that, you'll be prompted to set the event type. Since we're dealing with a live stream, you'll need to select the live stream option from the available event types. This tells Circle that you're planning to go live and will offer the necessary functionalities for a smooth streaming experience. Now, onto the details of the event. Here, you'll enter the title, date, and time for your live stream. This information is vital as it informs your members about when exactly they need to tune in. A catchy, informative title paired with a clear date and time is essential to ensure maximum attendance. Once you've entered these details, it's time to decide who can join the event. Under the Invite Members section, you have options to select specific members or groups. Alternatively, you can copy the event link, which can be shared widely. Think about your audience and who would benefit most from attending. After configuring the invitations, click Publish to finalize your event. This action officially sets up your live stream on Circle. Always double check the details before hitting Publish to ensure everything looks perfect. Finally, to get the word out, share the event link with your members. You can do this via a post within Circle or through email. Sharing the link is your chance to market the event and ensure that people are aware and excited about attending the live stream. And there you have it. You've successfully invited members to your live stream on Circle.so. With these steps, you're well on your way to hosting a successful and engaging event. Happy streaming!